Oh, my beloveds, what a fabulous day on planet Earth as you rise above the chaos. It is I, Saint Germain, for I delight in providing you with these messages. I wish to speak to you today about how to bring the violet flame into your everyday life, into your everyday activities, even into the mundane. For the violet flame can transmute negative energy into positive, wherever and whatever it might be. Picture yourself in the cleansing aisle of your supermarket with all the many cleaning products available, each one for a specific purpose. Know that the violet flame, which sits on the shelf with the many products available, is a one-and-all cleanser. It can clean any surface, any misqualification of energy, any detritus, for it is very versatile, and I might add, easy to use. For all that is required on your behalf is to invoke the violet flame through simple decrees or even I am statements. For it may be as simple as saying, I am invoking the violet flame to transmute anything less than love and light. And then, beloved, you fill in the blank. You may want to transmute it from your physical body, from the food or water you eat and drink, from your home and property, from your loved ones, from the planet. You may wish to send the violet flame to your office or places you frequently visit. You may send and invoke the violet flame when watching TV, as there may be many issues on the news that need transmuting. Yes, indeed, you have the power to do so. You have the power to transmute anything with your focus and attention. For it may seem very simple, but know that this is more powerful than your infinite minds can comprehend. I thank you profoundly from my heart for your service. For as each of you clears the lower energies from your body, mind, and spirit, from your energy field, know that you're helping your brothers and sisters. For as you raise in consciousness, as you claim well-being and wholeness, you are helping others. What a beautiful gift. Make the violet flame part of your day. Use it throughout the day. Yes, you may use it in your meditations, but know it can be invoked anytime you feel the need. That is what is so amazing and wondrous about the violet flame. A simple decree or affirmation is all that is needed. For as you invoke it, it comes forth from the heart of God, through your heart into the world, wherever your focus may be. I leave you now, my beloveds, to ponder these words and to use the violet flame wisely.